package from Amazon yesterday. I'm gonna open it. I'm not gonna use it yet, but I'm filming this in advance because I don't want to waste. I want to put the things where they belong in my stuff. So here's some gin, different colors. They're plastic, but they're cute still. I got the metal, not metal, like glass ones before. Right here. And they still scratched, so I mean, what's the difference, you know? I don't care. Anyways. So I'll probably save this video until I actually use some of this and then link it. Or, I don't know. Oh, there, it's shinier. Maybe I'll just post the, it's not really an unboxing. My son opened the actual Amazon box, but I mean, this is the packaging that this came in. Make little flowers out of this, and I know. They were just a good price for a lot of stuff, so I got them. Wait, look at this one. Looks like a teeny tiny bit. Maybe it's just bunched up. I don't know. I already have some of this silver I got from Wish a while ago, but haven't used it. Okay. And I also got this. This was also a good price. Now, I should be out there cleaning because the house is a mess, but it was just calling me back here. Saying, come look at me. Come look at me. Oh, it's those dividers. I need to buy some like holographic glitter, just the glitter. Nail, not foil, I forget what it's. Some dotting tools. They don't really look like they line up, but whatever, you know. I just bought it mostly because, like, the files, not files, these things, and the glitter, and then, like, the dotting tools, so I don't have any of my own. My daughter has some, but she uses them to paint, regular paint. She gave me all her nail stuff. She used to be into doing her nails, but not anymore. But that's fine, I'll take off her nail polish and her nail polish hang up storage thing. Look at this. Mustaches. Bows and flowers. Ooh. Kitty. Stars. Things. Let's see here. Does Kitty fit? Somewhat. Cute. And then some of these nail vinyls. And more of these. So yeah, they were good prices. So I had to get them. More of these too. Those. They're all plastic gems again, but you know what? I don't really mind. I change my nails so often that they get scratched up. Like, who cares? Just give me another reason to change my nails. Okie dokie. Put more in here. Or not. I might not, because I probably need to get a new. This was my gems. Now I have like a lot more, so I don't think that's gonna work anywhere. Yeah, it's not. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Anyways, that's all. Like I said, I might come back and wait to upload this to where I want to use them, but I don't know. I'll link them in the description. Bye.
Alright, I'm back, and I wanted to give you a quick update. I decided what to do with my gems. I put them all in here. So far, they all fit. These are 2 new ones. These all fit. The dividers were kind of like really crappy. They were hard to align and put the lid on. They're kind of misshapen, I guess. So I just left them out, and then these don't fit in there with the dividers in. So I just went ahead and put them up somewhere else. Apparently somewhere, because I feel like they're on the way to get them up. We want to glue down. So I used the plastic gems on my nails. So that's what the zoom in. That's what they look like. They're not really sharp, you know, cutted wise. Looking around it is what I'm trying to say here. These ones aren't them. Those are different ones. So these are plastic. These are some kind of metal. They both have the same, both of the packages had like the same kind of gems, except for they came in a circle on this, the one that came with the box. Looks like there's 2 sizes of clay. This one's a little bit bigger, I think. Maybe I'm just imagining it. These are kind of like beads. One of them flat on one side. I don't think maybe in lamb. But yeah, this is nice. I got these little things from the dollar store so it fits in there. And like I said, this is kind of difficult to line up and close. And you can get more if you wanted. I don't know why you would. I don't know if they sell it separately. To like stack it even higher than just two. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a little more details on the box. See, it's kind of hard to line up. Alright, thanks for watching.